How's it going, guys? My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to give you a walkthrough of this 2025 Scout 377 LXF. Before we get into the boat, a little bit of background information on the new model itself. This is a new model released by Scout. A little bit about the construction process for you. So this is part of the S-Class in the Scout line. So what that means is this is a carbon epoxy build, which reduces the overall weight of the boat, plus strengthens the hull as well. So we have a very strong hull, but also very light, which improves your fuel efficiency and speed. In addition, we have a double-stepped hull, creates a better ride and overall better speed and fuel efficiency as well. This boat's outfitted with the Shark Ray hull sides, triple 400 V10 power on the back. Instead of traditional trim tabs, we also have zip wake tabs on the bottom. They move much quicker than traditional tabs. They help level out the boat when you're underway. So let's hop on board. We'll go through a quick walkthrough. Starting here on the transom of the boat, as we discussed, this boat does have the triple 400 V10s. This boat will cruise at ranges from about 30 all the way up to 50 miles per hour, depending on the RPMs, with top end speeds closer to 70. Here along the transom, we do have a integrated swim platform. So instead of having a splash well here, it provides, the way we've built this transom provides easy access from port to starboard. Coming in through the starboard side entry, we have a great open area for fishing. So tandem fish boxes, one off the port, one off the starboard side. You can see Scout goes above and beyond with the fit and finish. So we have an A side finish underneath the hatch, so you have no unfinished fiberglass anywhere you look. So you have the same thing off to port. Plenty of rod holders all the way around, so we have Gemlux screwless rod holders. Creates a nice clean look throughout the entire boat. Up on top, we do have rod holders and a integrated retractable sunshade. This boat is outfitted with outriggers, so it's fully equipped for any fishing that may come your way. But in typical Scout fashion, they want to create some nice creature comforts for the entire family. So here along the transom, we do have the summer kitchen option. So we have a nice electric grill, cutting board, and a sink underneath. Just underneath here, we do have a pull-out cooler. We do have a cushion that will go on top to create a transom seat, which opposes your aft-facing mezzanine seats. So great social platform overall for those days that you are not fishing. As we walk forward, this boat is the midnight edition. So what that means is all of our piping is black along with our dash. So super sleek look. Here at the helm, we have triple Garmin touchscreen displays with C-zone switching. So another cool thing about the Scout 377, the innovation is definitely there. So a replacement for the generator, we have a lithium-ion battery bank. So you're able to power up your AC, your Seakeeper without having a generator on board. So all of that can be controlled through our Garmin's in addition with our C-zone switching. We have our Mercury 7-inch digital display, your control there for your zip wake tabs, Mercury joystick, throttle, skyhook, autopilot, all the great features you guys are used to. Standing here looking forward, Scout has a great integrated windshield, 3-piece glass, provides a lot of protection from the elements when you're out boating. And then we do have a sunroof, which does open up on top. As we move forward, we have nice high gunnels leading us up to the bow. Integrated storage off to port and starboard side. And just a great layout up here. So we have integrated backrest molded into the boat. Provides a nice comfortable area to lounge out. As you can see, plenty of room, nice high gunnels, bow rail falls right into place, nice comfortable area to lounge, cup holders, charging ports, and then we do have a integrated table here. So this goes all the way down to the deck. You can stop at halfway, put a cushion on top, or go all the way up to a table setup. And then a nice lounger here as well, fold down armrests. Integrated cup holders. As we circle back around the port side here, you have entry into your cabin. Very spacious cabin for a 37, so we do have sleeping area if you need it. We have a removable table you can set up, and then just behind you we have a fully equipped head and shower. My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart. Quick walkthrough of the 2025 377 LXF. We'd be happy to walk you through this boat in person. Feel free to reach out to us. Our number is 561-635-6811. Thank you very much.